Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to log in to Vantage Pro Trader. Logging in correctly allows us to access the trading dashboard, manage our account, and start trading. We will guide you through the steps to sign in easily. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to vantagemarkets.com. This is where we log into our account. Click the Login button at the lower right of the page. Just click Login. Now, enter your email address and password. Once that's done, click Login. You can also choose to log in with Telegram if you prefer. After logging in, we will need to verify our email. Enter the verification code. If you need to update or change your code, click Submit when ready. We can also link a phone number if we want. If we prefer to skip this step, we can click Accept right away and go straight to trading. We have now successfully logged in to Vantage Pro Trader. We can now manage our account and start trading.